What is going on? Back Row Garage here, and we are back here with another video. And we are working on the Speed. We got the Mustang, we got the Z, we got Tim.
Oh, hey.
And we are ready. We are going to be installing a front grille for the Speed 3. Pretty much the only grille that actually looks good and actually worth the money. Pretty much gonna open it completely up. So this is the one right here. Shout out to Whitezilla on Instagram. Any Speed fans out there definitely know who he is. This is what it is right here. All we gotta do is put the mesh on the back, cut it to scale, and then slap her on. We will have to take the front bumper off. This isn't gonna be an install video, but we'll keep you guys in the loop as we go. And that'll be it. Hopefully we get the bumper off nice and smooth. We got Tim here to hopefully help and not slow things down.
I got a surprise for
and
the
yeah,
next video.
We got a surprise. So definitely,
surprise.
If you guys are interested in what we are doing here and you want to see something that's gonna be pretty surprising, make sure you subscribe, like the videos, and stay tuned.
Yo, Carlos, what do you think about the steering wheel?
I think it's really nice. Too bad it's not gonna last.
Yeah. Not because of build quality.
Not because of steering wheel, just in general, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, and Carlos is selling me the Z for $1,400 cash. He told me. See, he thinks it's funny, but that's what he said. We're almost done with this shiznip.
We painted it twice.
Yeah, we painted that joint.
With, you guessed it, caliper paint, because I don't care.
Yo, flip this up for the boys. And maybe like the one female viewer that we have. Because I've been looking at the analytics.
Looks good.
Damn.
The thing that we have to fix, like literally right now, is the fog lights. I have to repaint them, but I'm just gonna leave it for now.
I'm gonna expose you. Exposed.
But yeah, it looks good.
Looks way better.
Generally.
What are you doing?
I know a zip tie technician up in here.
I'm gonna get you a sticker.
Because I'm very, what's it called?
I'm gonna get you a sticker.
I'm OCD, bro.
I'm gonna get you a sticker. And then one that says eBay genuine parts.
Put it right on the intercooler.
Yeah. All right, so we put it all back together, and it looks good. What do you think, Carlos?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. For the most part, it was easy. We did paint the crash bar, and we also took apart the entire stock grill. So the stock grill obviously goes here, and then there's a bunch of plastic that goes all the way around it. If you guys want to keep it, if you guys have an intercooler like mine, so Cobb or any low-mounted intercooler, that you have to keep the factory crash bar right there. Cut out the grill, use the factory plastics all the way around, and you can bolt it and zip tie it up, and like that, everything that's underneath still works, and you won't have it flapping in the wind or having anything exposed in a weird, awkward way.
Carlos is picking up. I like it, he likes it, and that's all that matters. So that's pretty much it for this video, and catch us in the next one. I got a big surprise for you guys. Might piss some people off, but that's okay. We're gonna have a good time.
As long as he's happy, that's all that matters.
Yeah, that's all that matters. Right, Carlos?
Yes, this is true.
Oh, damn. All right, well, we'll catch you in the next one. Tim with the Back Row Garage.
Carlos right here. Peace out.
With the Back Row Garage.